Hello guys, welcome back on the Technology Battlefield. Let's learn and watch with practical in this tutorial how to roll back iOS 18.7 beta version 2, 18 or 17 iOS. How do you, without losing any data, how do you roll backs, how do you downgrade, how do you download iOS on your iPhone device? By mistakenly or due to recommendation of update, you have updated and now you would like to switch back or you would like to roll back iOS. In a case guys, without losing data, your iPhone is not recommending to a downgrade. However, of course I have the clue by execution it. Yes, you can, the rollback it. How do you do that? Firstly we will take it out of the manually by tapping on a setting. In setting we will come here guys. In setting 2 we will come in general. In general, of course, we will have to click on a software update. Let it. Checking for updates. Now it's saying that it's up to date. We don't have options to a downgrade. If I click on a beta update, what's it saying that? Well, we have options and there is iOS public beta 18 or that's all. But this is not 18, this is especially 18.7 iOS guys. So how would I roll back to 17s? Yes, this can be possible, but for it of course we will have to run as administration, that is a 3U tool. This is a free of course tool, there is no doubt. So of course let's see, we will come on here on software update and now it has been succeeded. Just as we see, this is we will click on a smart flash and as we see right now we will go for refresh options and now it has the recommended that 17.6.1 iOS. Yes, we can downgrade it without losing any data. Of course we will come with retain user data. Retain user data means whatever the data that will be retained further. Either it is apps, application or any file in the folder, everything will be remained, everything will be retained inside your phones by execution it. If you would like to lose your data, then of course that we can select this one, the quick flash mode. So before going there we would like to switch back, and that is a 17.6 RC. So just we will hit to a downgrade. So now see here as it has started to a download. Where this is the firmware and task, it's trying to download. So now a little bit due to configuration, now it has started to 13 minutes approximately expected times to a download. After downloading, see, just simply we will have to go for here, let it download. Now here just we will have to select the retain user data. Don't select in the fix flash mode and also don't select anti-recovery flash mode. Why I'm telling you? Because anti-recovery means you won't be able to recover data. Yes, definitely you will lose your data whatever is inside your device. But on the other hand, quick flash mode also there you will lose, and the fixed flash is, this feature is for especially when iOS has been stuck on the Apple logo or your iPhone has been stuck on the Apple logo. Yeah, it has been freezed on a black screen, white screen. In that condition you will have to select this one and go for address of it. So right now it's just as we see it's downloading. So I have selected, we will click on a flash options and quickly within a 5 to 10 minutes of course it will be a switch to from 17.7 beta to especially this one especially I had right now on this computer. So 18.0 beta 7, this one it is. So from here to directly we will rest on a 17.6 RC. Yeah, furthermore if you would like to downgrade, then of course we can come with especially that is a 17.6.1. we will click on here and it would be. So how easily we can do it? Right now let it download, then thereupon of course we will see. So this is all about in this video tutorial, guys. For the main inquiry, of course, I have the query below the comment box. Now see, this percentage is especially downloading, so this is indicating here. Similar strategy you need to execute, guys, after downloading. So if I show you completes, and then of course definitely video will be lengthy. So this is all about in this video tutorials. If you found this is informative and acknowledgeable, then please I expect it from all of you, so that please ponder, like, subscribe, and then share of this content, because maybe this sharing it will inspire me a lot to make such as informative video further. Yeah, especially henceforth, guys. This is all about in this video tutorial. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time. Bye bye.